My name is Alberto Gago. I'm the advisor of the Secretary of State for Digitalization and AI, Carmen Artigas, and I deal mainly with international European digital affairs. We have pushed forward a strategy on AI, which with a budget of 600 million euros that not only looks at how to integrate AI in the value chains, but also how to produce AI from the research point of view with the values and norms that are key for the European Union and for our democratic traditions. And we are also one of the countries that put forward the Charter of Digital Rights, where we see as well the need to claim for new rights in the digital space, those in particular related to AI and also to neurotechnologies. An ideal future will be where there is a regulation that puts limits on AI. This is important because what we have now is basically everybody developing an AI system that you don't know whether it's going to affect significantly or not to the fundamental rights, health, or safety of individuals. But apart from that, I would say that an ideal world is that we change our way of thinking, so we become more conscious of how whatever we produce digitally, whether it's with AI or with any other technology, is always in favor of humanity or of the people, and doesn't work against it. We are still, I would say, in the way of implementing the strategy on AI that Spain has published already in 2021. So there's still a bit of things to go, subsidies to deliver as well on integrating in the value chains, also in ensuring that AI is green by design and by default. But also, most importantly, is still to go the AI sandbox that we are putting in place in cooperation with the European Commission in order to implement the obligations that the regulation will put on everybody. And this is still a work to be done, and it will help, for example, lower the barriers of compliance for SMEs and also for large companies and also for the public sector. And this is one of the key initiatives that we need to still develop fully. Also, we need to ensure that we fully deploy the agency of supervision of AI that is located in A Coruña with staff, and also ensuring that their competences are deployed in the sector. And what I see also most important is that we need to still contribute to the regulatory convergence on AI with Latin American and Caribbean countries, and we need to still find out what are the lines that we are going to work on after the statement that we signed today by 15 countries, I believe, 4 or 5 of them European and most of them from Latin America and the Caribbean. And we need to still see concretely how we are going to collaborate together.